Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to try out an impulse buy, or I don't even think I should call it an impulse buy because I've had this item on my Amazon wish list for a while now, and I don't know why I didn't just pull the trigger because it's $29 and I've seen a ton of people use it and I've been wildly curious, but for whatever reason, I'm here now late to this game. Today we're going to try out this crazy triple barrel wavy beach waves, mermaid waves, whatever you want to call this thing, curling iron device, and we're going to see if it works. Does it work on my hair? And if it does work, how fast can I get my hair into beautiful mermaid waves? I think this might be a really awesome tool to help me get my hair looking nice and wavy in like less time than a traditional curling iron or curling wand, just because of the nature of what it is. So I'm going to time myself using this today. We're going to see what this looks like. I've let my hair just sort of air dry and then I blew it dry the rest of the way to prepare for this video. So this is what my hair looks like when I kind of just let it do its own thing. Oh, the picture on this box really suggests like a very interesting, very curly style. I don't know if my hair is going to look like that in the end, but we're going to try it out. I got this on Amazon, as I said. It was $29. I will have it linked down in the description box so that you guys can check it out if you want to for yourself. Without further ado, let's just open this up, get it plugged in, and get going on my hair. Before we do that though, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're even waiting for because my channel is lit. Hit that subscribe button. If it's red, turn it gray. Also, you want to ding that notification bell so that you are notified every time that I upload a new video. I am getting so close to 5K, which I'm like sort of in disbelief of, so help me get there. I am so excited to get to that milestone. I think I'm going to do a pretty big giveaway when I get to 5K, so subscribe. Let's do this. It's nothing fancy. This is a brand called Pretty Queen, but there's tons of brands out there that make this device. So you just open it up and the curling iron is in the box like so. Nothing really special packaging wise because like I said, it's pretty inexpensive. So here it is. It's got this barrel, which is insane. Looks like it's got a nice temperature gauge right there, which is a nice feature, and a really good little handled grip. And then it's also got on the ends, the black ends, which I believe will help, like these are not heated, so that it can help you style your hair. You can grab onto that, as well as the little stand-up kickstand thing, whatever you want to call that. It's definitely nothing fancy. It's not like my nice GHD or dry bar tools that I've showed you guys in the past. I've seen so many people use this and I just had to try it. You know what I mean? Got it plugged in and it says off right now. Let's see if it will focus on that. Turn it on, I guess, this is the power button. So it's in Celsius. So it's going up to, I can turn it up to 210 degrees Celsius, which I know that 40 degrees Celsius is like close to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So I really don't know what 200 degrees Celsius is. Freaking hot, and that's what we're gonna put it on because my hair is really coarse and thick, and so I feel like I can put it to a high heat setting because of the fact that it is coarse, and if I do it that way, it makes my hair stay a little bit longer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead like I do in all my hair tutorials when I'm heat styling, and I'm going to section my hair off. So I'm just going to take majority of my hair and put it up into a bun. Voila! Let's try this, shall we? Temperature is still rising. It's at 130 degrees Celsius now, so it takes it a second to warm up, but that's okay. Woo! We want to time this, right? It is 3:24 p.m. Let's see how long this takes me. It might take me slightly longer because while I film this, I'm also going to be filming TikToks of me doing this because, you know, you gotta like double duty your content, am I right? It might be like a little bit longer than it might take if I was just doing my hair. So we'll see. 194 degrees. We're almost there. Yes, you just take a strip of hair and you just hold it there for a second. All right, something happened. You guys see that? You see that? And then you just work your way down the hair. I'm really not sure how long I should hold it for. Try to get the ends a little bit. Okay, so it did wave up my hair a bit. Let's keep going and see what happens. Try to like spread the hair out since there's like a wide surface area for it to be on. That way the more hair is like actually touching the surface of the hot iron, the better, I feel like. I feel like maybe if I hold it a little bit longer, it'll be a little bit more defined waves. All right. It's kind of giving it that like beachy look, which is what it's supposed to do. I don't know if it's giving me the impact that I really want from it though. Do you know what I mean? Like I was really hoping for like more dramatic waves, if that makes sense. Whew, it is hot. So if I just pull it through, what happens? No, it like kind of straightens it. It's supposed to crimp it. It's just basically a glorified crimper. Just like off the bat, what the results that I'm seeing are not wowing me, but maybe like once more of my hair is done. Oh, see, that is more of like, you see that? That's what I was hoping for. Let's do the other side. So I've done my right side now off camera, and I held this side a bit longer than I did on this side, and you can definitely see the difference. This side is a bit more defined. This side just kind of looks a little bit like, you can tell that I crimped it, but it just doesn't have the same nice definition that this has. So all that being said, I think the lesson that I've learned on this first round is that you really have to hold it for a little bit longer than you think maybe you should if you want to get that definition. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this side up a little bit better because I want it to maybe be a little bit more curly than that, or at least fix a couple pieces so that it just has that look of being more defined. Did you guys also notice that I color coordinated today? Based off of the amount of time that I have to hold my hair in this, I feel like it isn't gonna necessarily be faster than if I was traditionally curling it, which is a bummer. I really had high hopes that this was gonna be like an easy, lazy sort of way to do my hair. And it is kind of in a way. It's a lot easier to just sit there and hold it than have to really work it like I do with a curling iron. Let's go ahead and let the next layers down. There we go. That's more of what I was looking for. And I'm going to kind of leave the ends out a little bit on that one and on more of them just to give it that more undone beachy look. Oh my god. Sorry if I look so sweaty. It's already so hot in my studio room. Continue to be hot as heck all summer. And I can't have the AC on when I'm filming because it's so freaking loud. Awkward. I'm getting more of the hang of it. It's starting to do this nice like beach wave, like how I kind of imagined it would be. I think is when you go down the next section of hair, if your hair is like long enough to do this in two sections, is to not pull down on your hair when you're doing the second half, because you want to still give it that slack, because you don't want to pull out the wave that you just created. So just kind of like giving it some looseness, I think, is a good way to go. For some reason, I feel like the right side is looking much better than the left side, and I don't know why. But I'm gonna go pop the AC on for a couple minutes in case you guys can't tell that I'm sweating, and film a little bit more for my TikTok version of this. So I'll come back when I'm almost close to the end. The last layer, I'm taking down my top little bun right now, is as of now 4:05. So it's been almost an hour. We're about 40 minutes into this process, so this tool is not making my hair styling process any faster. What I'm finding is you really do have to hold it. You have to hold each section for a good amount of time, like I was saying, to get this. Just resting my elbow, don't mind me. Wait, if you guys aren't following me on TikTok, you should. I'll put the link to all my social media handles down in the description box. Like the very front piece of my hair, so I can't mess it up, you know? This is like what everyone sees. Yeah. I had really high hopes that this was gonna be a faster process. My hair feels really dry. I feel like I need to do a hair mask soon. Wetting my butt off. Almost there. I think I've got all my hair crimped. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off. that it's turning off. And I think what needs to happen is I need to like kind of just break it up a little bit so it doesn't look quite so clumpy, I guess you could say. Alright, so this is my hair. This is the finished product. I can't really tell if I look like Hermione before her glow up in the Goblet of Fire, or if this is like a cute beach look. It is now 4:10, so it took me nearly 45 minutes to do this, which is no quicker than if I was going to use a wand or a curling iron to get a similar sort of wavy hair vibe. Final thoughts, I don't really know if I'm going to keep this or not, to be honest. I know a lot of people on YouTube rave about this thing, but for me, I don't know how I feel about my hair looking like this. I don't know. I feel like I would rather curl it or wave it out with my wand and have that look than have this sort of crimpy look. But maybe it'll grow on me. Maybe by tomorrow it will like fall out a little bit. It'll look a little bit more natural and more beachy, like how I imagined it to be. But it's not bad. I mean, it does what it's meant to do. Does it look like the box picture? Let's just remember what the box picture looks like. This is the girl on the box. That is not the hair you're gonna get with this. This is the hair you're gonna get with this. So if you're looking for something to give you like that beachy, wavy, like you just went swimming in the ocean look, then yeah, this is definitely great. But I don't know, you be the judge. You guys let me know in the comments. Should I keep it? Does my hair look cute this way? Because I honestly cannot tell. I'm conflicted.
Hi, this is Jessica editing this video. I just want to say, because I never inserted a clip when the hair grew on me, but I ended up loving it. I love the way that it looks. It just took me a little while to sort of get used to it, but I think it's really cute, and I recommend this tool because it's affordable and it gives you a really cute summer hairstyle. So that's all from me on my couch editing this video.
But yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was informative. I hope it helped you make a decision whether or not you want to try this Mermaid Waves tool. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and also check out my other social medias. You probably want to find me on Instagram, where I'm daily on my stories sharing fun behind the scenes and, you know, sales and all kinds of fun fashion-y stuff. So find me there, and thank you again for watching. I'll see you all on my next video. Bye!